I cannot change others until I change myself. No one is responsible for your happiness except you. For freedom, you don't have to buy the earth and the sky, but never sell yourself. I always give difficult tasks to lazy people because lazy people find easy solutions to problems. If you have money in your hands, only you forget who you are, and if your hands are empty, the world forgets who you are. Achieve success for those who want to see you fail. People who are silent all the time are more dangerous and intelligent. If you want people to trust you, admit when you're wrong. The further a society is from the truth, the more it hates those who speak the truth. Negative thinking creates despair, so think positively, no matter what the situation. Never believe a woman's tears and smile. I can forgive someone 1,000 times, but I can never trust them again. Live life as if you were going to die tomorrow, and learn as if you are going to live forever. Loneliness tells you what you are and what you can do. It is difficult to free fools who honor their chains. To change your life, you need to change your priorities. The destination you are looking for may be waiting for you to leave your home. If you want to understand someone's mind, look at how they talk to those who disagree with them. Success in life is not in never failing, but in rising after every failure. Bring about the change in yourself that you want to see in the world. Work hard in silence. Let your success make the noise. Tension, anxiety, and depression occur when we spend our lives trying to please others. Don't take revenge on people. Bad fruits fall from the trees themselves. It is a sign of great goodness to restrain one's tongue from speaking too much. Your attitude determines your direction. Backward minds can't handle forward thinking. Never let your defeats distract you from your destiny. Talk about your own mistakes before criticizing the other person. The enemy's favorite trick is to turn friends against each other. When a man makes money, he feels like he needs more women, but when a woman makes money, she feels like she doesn't need a man. Whether you are happy or unhappy, the only way to avoid trouble and suffering is to keep yourself busy. Every person listens quietly to the person they fear losing the most. Nothing is impossible. It always seems impossible until it happens. In growth, find your strength. In strength, find your purpose. People always cheat and from bad people and get revenge from good people. Claim your mistakes. Just don't let your mistakes claim you. We often seek out the people we love and remain unaware of the people who love us. Your dedication to today's work is the bridge to tomorrow's success. Fear is man's greatest enemy. If serving is below you, leadership is beyond you. We live in the society where intelligent people are silenced so that stupid people don't get angry. If someone becomes your enemy without reason, then accept that there is something special about you. The person in front of you is jealous. Pain is something that is hidden. Something that is told becomes a spectacle. If the roots of relationships are strong, distances don't matter. 5 rules for being happy. Don't hate anyone. Don't worry. Give more. Expect less. And live a simple life. Believe me or not, your relatives secretly hate you. If you want to be happy in society, you have to unlearn many things that you already know. You waste your time the most when you have no clear goal. If I had to save the whole world in an hour, believe me, I would sit and think for 55 minutes and actually take action in only 5 minutes. He who does not know how to remain silent does not know how to speak either. If you want to succeed in the world, first have the courage to accept your failure. The standard of wisdom is that you have a lot to say, but you prefer silence in front of ignorant people. Modern-day slaves are not imprisoned in chains, but are indebted. If you want to eliminate your negative thoughts, write them down and throw them in the trash. If someone gives you an explanation for something without any reason, it means that they are definitely lying to you. If you don't want your life to be ruined, stay away from people who have ruined theirs. Only one person can make you successful, and that is you. If you want to live in peace of mind, don't compare yourself to anyone. The right time awaits those who pay the price for bad times. A responsible man is better than a handsome man. A poor man has no friends. He is alone and suffers from delusions. A good book is equal to good friends, but a good friend is equal to a library. Don't let a single day of yours go by in vain. When a day passes, no amount of gold can buy it back. Stay strong. The world is not a mother who will pity you. Those who lack training will spend their entire lives slandering people, destroying their character, and destroying peace. Success is not determined by your circumstances, but by your mindset. Learning is very important in life, whether it is from someone else's mistake or your own. It is very easy to defeat someone, but it is very difficult to win someone's heart. Difficulties in your life do not come to destroy you, but to unlock your hidden potential. Before dreams can come true, you have to dream them. The wrong people who come into our lives truly explain the meaning of life. Words should be used with care. They are the best evidence of our upbringing. Never confuse education with intelligence. If we are not free, no one will respect us. If you don't hold your child up for fear of falling, how will he learn to walk? Isolate yourself before you are ruined. Sometimes regret is not enough when the damage has already been done. Humans are born wise and humanitarian, but the education and training provided by society makes them enemies of humanity. A person who supports you in bad times is better than someone who applauds your success. A good teacher teaches his students not to answer, but to ask questions. Asking questions is the real knowledge. Every pain demands to be felt. Worship that does not influence morals and character is nothing but effort. Being too good is also wrong. You never know whether people are appreciating or using you. Disagreement is the father of everything. Where there is no clash of ideas, nothing new can be created. Relationships are like pearls. Even if one falls, you should bend down and pick it up. The sign of false and fake people is that, from a distance, they look very sophisticated and beautiful. But when you meet them up close, they are useless and worthless. If you happen to fall in love in life, do it with humble people. Humble people don't hurt. They love in return for love. The greatest feeling in the world is knowing that you have been used and lied to by someone you trusted the most. Pay no attention to the words of those who hold grudges against others in their hearts. If someone insults you, answer him with such respect that the person in front of you will be a change. The most painful goodbye is the one that cannot be said, the one that cannot be explained.